I found a big trailer of dirt bikes, but no contact info, no prices on them, so you kind of assume they're just riding them. Not bad, fellas. You did a good job on that tank, man.
It ain't bad.
And the pipe.
Ride around it?
Huh?
You gonna ride around it? You gonna load it up?
Well, I'm gonna load it, and then I'll go park in the parking lot, and then unload it.
That thing run 40 miles an hour with me on it. Oh, okay. Pretty sick.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Starts right up and runs, but he said he deleted all the electrical, so it's just running off of the magneto and not the, it's supposed to have like a 6-volt charging battery and charging system, so it breaks up a little.
Like convert it to CDI or something?
I guess, I don't know.
Okay.
Dude, this little KTM in the Trimoto, dude. I'm gonna ride that little Trimotos. This dude's got him a fatty. Got a beanie on too, bro.
He's
look.
got a little stash bag.
Dude, he's got the, you got the same, look, he's got the same hat as you, bro.
Yeah.
How come? Let's see how much he wants for us. You selling the Yamaha?
I would, but I don't have a title to it. Now I can't get it started. It used to, you had to push the start button real hard. But now I can't get it pushing hard to start.
Oh, gotcha.
Going one time and I was going to test it. Watch this. And I went running real fast and I went to hit the rear brake, and the rear brake is the front brake on these.
So you
and I slammed that son of a bitch down. He got up, do it again. That damn had gravel all in me.
Oh man, the Honda didn't even, you can't even tell the Honda wreck.
Yeah.
That just got title.
Yeah. So this is legal too. I don't know how accurate that is, but
Right.
it's a really nice 350, dude. And it's got the inverted front forks on it. Look,
Oh wow.
aftermarket aluminum triples. Dang. Might be interested in that old boy. Hey, how's it going? You don't know who's running things over here, do you?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, hey, boss man.
Hey, how's it going?
I was looking at your Can-Am over here.
Okay.
I was a little curious about it.
Yeah.
On the back of this, hopefully I can find some more deals. I appreciate it.
Consider it an offer.
You hear that, Orion?
What's that?
He said he's got a, he'd consider an offer over here if you want to leave him with one.
Yeah, I'd be interested in swapping for a little bit, a little bit bigger one.
What do you think you got to get out of this thing, man?
I don't know. I mean, you're in the market more than I am.
If he was going to flip it, I think he'd probably pay you more, but it's going to, his wife's going to ride it, so you kind of get stuck with it.
Yeah, go drop it. Yeah, and this shock's kind of used to. It's set in storage, and damn rat or mice or something chewed the damn. Oh wow. That's it, Honda CRF80, so you'll have good one.
You don't want to take any less than 1,200 right now, huh?
I'd like to post it for 12. I was giving
you.
him shit over. I said, yeah, you had me all hemmed up, and I seen it come in, and he walked right over here.
Yeah, buddy, I was like, hey, keep him distracted for a minute.
Yeah.
What do you think about that? You wanting to throw an offer out on this? I figure I bought a few before I make him an offer. I give you an opportunity if you want. Orion won't want to come back next time if I just
buy everything.
Yeah. Like, hey, go over there.
You're here on Thursday too. Thursday's not even really the opening day. There was people here yesterday.
Is he close? Said, is he close?
No.
No. Is 1,000 gonna do it?
You guys do this to me.
Yeah, dude, I think I'll get it. Cool back. Test it out.
Yeah, oh yeah. 20 feet, it would ride a wheelie on the wheelie bar.
Oh man. Dang, Orion, that thing's badass, bro.
It wouldn't last long, especially. I figure somebody's gonna be walking and they're gonna go, I'm sick of walking.
Heck, we appreciate it, bro.
Oh, no problem, dude.
You enjoying Texas?
I'm loving it.
So he's asking 4, you offered him 350 or what?
I offered him 3. He said he'll take 350.
Yeah, dude. Seriously, you could spend 150 on that motor and get like they'll be where you can't ride them. It's just you got there, Orion. Real?
My Camaro.
Nice. Yeah, I guess when somebody can recognize what this is, you know you got your buyer on the line. Huh?
Yeah.
Like, I don't even know
was
what
like,
the fuck
damn,
I'm
I need
looking
one
at.
of those.
Heck yeah, man.
It's just like 500 on eBay.
Really?
For a new one? Yeah.
Oh, for a new one?
Yeah.
What'd you have to get for it?
25 bucks.
Nice, dude. You gonna paint it and shit? Sand it
Yeah.
down? Heck yeah, dude. I forgot how much you're into old cars. They've got a lot of stuff like that. Mostly that's what all this is.
Yeah, I know. That's why I've been looking around.
Hey, boss man, what's asking on this alien here?
450 on them.
450? You make them?
No.
I like the finger up in there. Have for sale signs on them yet? Hey, boss, are these yours? This your booth here?
No, sir.
No. Who do I get a hold of about buying one of these old boys?
I don't know. Just have to. They'll be around here sometime
They'll be
or
around.
another.
Heck yeah, man. I got my eye on that alien smoking the doobie over there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
That's the one I need.
That's what you want. Man.
Yeah, buddy.
Hell yeah.
That guy. Definitely want that guy. I'm gonna have to come back and look at that. Kind of like this one too, because it's pointing, like we could make it point at the time machine sign in the yard or something. And they got a mouth on the pig.
I know.
That's weird.
Like the wings too.
Heck yeah. You just glue a beer bottle in the sand there?
Yeah, it just cracked on the bottom.
Let's want one of these for the shop for a while. Bro, I know, dude. I know. 2-stroke Yamaha. I know. Quit talking about it for 2 seconds. It's all he wants to point at is a freaking Trizinger in the back. He won't shut up about it. You okay? Can you handle that? You want to follow us, I guess? We're going to go right through that gate. Just made some.
Hey, that's badass, dude.
I appreciate it.
Help me out, man.
Where are you going with that?
This way. Scrap, bro. Hey, is that for sale?
No, I can't sell it.
Get, man.
If you want to throw it, hey,
What'd you get?
huh? Today?
I saw you bought the 3 this morning.
I got that yellow one today too.
Right.
I got maybe 7, I guess, today. You still going to?
Maybe.
How you walk off when it's $100,
Come on, man, help me out.
If you want to throw in this yellow one, I will.
Right,
I'll let her ride this. All right. Taking this bad boy up to Decatur swap meet. She's been sitting a while.
2,000 for the 1,800 for here.
Gotcha.
Both we might catch you a little bit.
Is this 400 have a title? It does. Because it could be street legal, huh? Will it start and run like it is? Yeah.
Every week.
Gotcha. Man, you're tempting me now.
Think so?
Yeah. This 50's nice, huh?
Yeah, it's really cute. We've had one like that before.
Yeah.
It never had the stickers on it.
Yeah.
It didn't have the stickers on it.
O2. Is this one titled? What do you think you could do on a pair of them? I've been here 30 minutes today and I'm about to pop off on these two, I think, making on. Oh, I want to.
Well, think about it.
Yeah.
We'll be here all day today and tomorrow too.
And you did have the title to this one with you too?
Mm-hmm.
Do you mind if I see this thing fire up?
He doesn't own anything that won't start right up.
Oh, really? He taking good care of these. Oh, good. So many. 40, 50, 60. I don't know how many. Okay, here you go. You got a lot to keep up with.
They're all gone, so
Yeah.
I ordered a set off of All Balls Racing, and I replaced all in front and back when I bought the four-wheeler.
I found you a bike, I think. Did you see that DRZ 400?
What's that?
Did you see that DRZ?
Oh, that you sent me a picture of?
I
Yeah.
just bought it, but there's another one right next to it if you want to go see it.
Okay.
Wanna go check it out? Cool. What you doing? Hey man, I got those same gloves in my bag. Yeah? You recognize that, Orion? That's that one you sunk in the river, right? It's dried out. It's a fun bike, ain't it?
Accidentally fell off that mini bike while it was just on the trailer.
Oh my God, you get
Yeah.
out there, there's no chain on it?
Yeah.
Oh my God, dude.
Piece of crap, dude.
I was wondering why you only had this one with you. Is it a 420?
No, it said 35H.
You know where you can get it? Tractor Supply.
Really?
Yep, right up
I
the
was
street.
thinking about it.
Have you ever had one of these, dude? Fuck yeah, bro. I bought that little quad too.
Oh, nice. Well, you didn't want to get it?
It just didn't have a title, and I don't really need two of them. Oh, and the one thing that got me, they must have taken it off here. It's facing the other way. Got my buddy, he's checking out your brother's bike real quick.
The baffle.
Oh, there she goes. It's like I was going by there, but 2264 is kind of bumpy if I turn off to the right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's got electric start and an ignition.
Yeah, I wish that one did electric start.
Yeah, I know, dude. I would have bought them both, though. You'd have been like, you'd have been buying it for me. Dang. Fits you pretty good. Whew, there it went. That was all of it. I was talking to him about it now. Oh. They may do that too. What'd you offer him?
Brother's selling it, and then I don't know. He started talking to homeboy. I was like,
What are you wanting it at? 12?
yeah, 14.
14? Well, when we come back,
13 would be awesome.
when we come back, tell them.
Yeah. I'll let him
All
know
right,
for
you
sure.
gonna follow us? Or where'd y'all park out there?
Same spot again.
Yeah. Hey man, I gotta run to Fort Worth and pick up my kids.
Okay.
Are y'all gonna be out here a while, or what's your plans?
Might do like another lap or something. Check it out.
All right, you want to just come by when you're done, I guess? You'll text me when you're leaving or something?
Yeah.
I may come back later tonight, I don't know, but I'm gonna go home. Well guys, the swap meet's halfway over. I got all the side fenders and stuff for this. It's needing some carb work, but I got that one up there. This SL 100 came with that one. It's a parts bike. I got a Z50 in here with 2 motors as a project. Old CRF 80. I'm still holding out for a couple more deals, guys. Hopefully we'll be able to get them when we go up there later today. Found this 175 up there, DRZ 400, KTM 50, this KFX 50, this Can-Am Outlander, and this dude right here. He's gonna point at the time machine sign over there. I'm gonna get it set up. He's just gonna be pointing up at it. It's gonna be cool. I've wanted one of those for a long time. I'm put them in a little time machine shirt. You guys be sure and like and subscribe. Get up in there. You guys be sure and get up in there, like and subscribe. I'm gonna post some more video when we get back. Lots more coming. Lots of deals out there. Lots of projects coming up too, guys. I scratched my project itch, and now we got plenty of stuff to make videos about.